Hi everyone. I'm in Enugu State, Nigeria. A lot of you know that I came to Enugu for the same program. I actually just left Urban radio station, and while I was being interviewed at Urban, a man, I don't know if you can see him, a man here listened to my program, and then he called me and he said that he wanted to share something with me. When he was talking with my secretary, my heart was torn into pieces. I could not even stand it. I had to speak to him on the phone, and I said, you know what? I want you to come and meet me now and tell me your story, so that when I tell you people what this Ohu, Osu, and Ume thing is causing in our land, people will not be arguing with me. And you happen to be one of the people they call the Ohu people,
yes.
Right?
People can now come out and say it's no longer in existence, but behind us it's existing.
Awesome.
It's existing, even in some various family meetings.
It is happening.
It is happening. They will say, oh boy, you see that man? It's not part of us, so let him stay outside. After we tell him the outcome of this meeting.
So they will have meetings and they will not allow you people to join the meeting?
Of course, yes.
This is still happening till today?
That one is happening. That one is happening.
Did you hear that? So they will have meetings and they will tell the Ohu people to step out of the meeting. When they finish, they will now tell them what has happened in the meeting, because they are not fit to be in the same meeting with Amadi people. It's happening as even up till now, this year, 2018. This is November 2018. This is happening. And people will turn around and say, oh, it's no longer happening. Oh, it's no longer happening.
Bad elements in my hometown, Akpu, Kano West local government, Enugu State of Nigeria.
Yes.
Just because of my poverty, because of my late father and my mother being dead, they just occupied my father's landed property. Even the most painful one is that one of them opened his mouth before the law court and said, a slave has no right of land ownership in Akpu. I have the proof. The procedure is there. And apart from that, there is another standing case now. But I told them that they must pay me my claims in billions of naira. Since after the judgment in the court, they just, because of my loneliness, I'm alone, the only son of my parents. No father, no mother, no brother.
Somebody told you that a slave
has no right of land ownership in Akpu.
Someone told him that a slave has no right of land ownership in Akpu.
Yes.
Are we all hearing this? I'm saying this so that everybody will bear me witness of what is happening in our own land. Okay? And we claim that the Nigerian government is holding us as slaves. Now come. Come, don't cry. Don't cry. Okay, stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Hey! No father, no mother, no brother, no sister. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Ebesina, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay. God will see us through. It's okay.
Listen. Well, I believe in God.
This is why December 28th at Agukunri is going to be our last chance to get it right. A huge, massive judgment of God is coming in 2019. This is why God said we must do this in 2018, because it is very time sensitive. That's why I can't afford to delay what is coming in December, on December the 28th. Every Igbo person alive, wherever you are, you must be a part of this event, because this thing is ravaging our communities. It is killing, it's destroying everything that we stand for. I wanted you to see this for yourself so you understand what we are fighting for. In whichever way you guys can support, wherever you are, you need to get in touch with us and do whatever you can for us to make this happen. The time is now.